airplanes, rockets, cars, both. These objects are all manufactured with the help of CNC machining technology. What is CNC machining? How can CNC machining produce so many amazing products? In this video, we will introduce what is CNC machining and how it works. CNC machining, or computer numerical control machining, is a digital manufacturing technology in which CNC machines use computer control to remove layers of material from a workpiece, producing custom-designed parts. Basic CNC machining can be summarized into 3 steps. Engineers first design a CAD model of the part, then convert the CAD file into a CNC program called G-code. Then use this G-code to set up the CNC machine, including tool changes, cutting operations to create the part, cooling of the part, etc. During the manufacturing process, milling machines or lathes are automated and controlled by computers, which means there is little human involvement in the remanufacturing process. Due to this automation, CNC machining is very price competitive for one-off custom parts and medium-volume production. There are many choices for materials used for CNC machining, and almost any hard material can be CNC machined. Some of the most common materials are aluminum, stainless steel, brass, ABS, nylon, and more. That's all about what CNC machining is. Thanks for watching. See you next time.